What we got here, we got a vehicle that you can basically see it got hit in this corner. The owner doesn't want to put a lot of money in it. He wants to get it running. He wants to make it a driver, you know, go to town, go to work, go to the grocery store type of deal. And he just doesn't want to spend a lot of money. So I told him, well, what we could do, we can go ahead and get this inner fender section right here. If you look right there, it's missing. And we can take the pieces off that we need instead of replacing the whole thing. So if you look right here, you can see where this is spot welded on here, and it goes down here. And then you also see this piece, this front piece right here that comes around and goes right here like that. So the problem that we have is all of this area that you're looking at right here is crushed in, and you can see that right there. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and pull this out. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to use a combination of tools, and one of them requires, of course, our cutting torch and then our slide hammer adapters. So let me get all set up. We're going to go ahead and try to tackle this job and see if we can get her done over here at DIY Auto School. Alright, before we use any heat on that, I want to go ahead and just use my slide hammer, see if I can pull it out with that. A lot of these cars, the metal is very thin and usually pulls out. But as you can see, this one ain't happening. Here it comes. So you just got to keep working it through. And that's all the farther we're going to be able to go. So we're going to have to heat that up to pull it out. Now before I do that, I noticed that there's a couple holes right in this area right here. But I'm going to go ahead and drill a couple holes here, and I'm going to drill a couple down there. Okay, so we went ahead and drilled all those holes. What we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and heat that area up and use our slide hammer to pull it out with. Okay, so while that's hot, we're going to go ahead and get our dent puller in the hole, which the fucking holes are too fucking little. Bitch! Shit! Okay, there you go, bitch. Now we gotta go ahead and do this again. Heat this bitch up again, fucker. In this case here, it's better to have two people, guys. One holding the torch, the other one with the fucking hammer. Budget, this is a budget fix. Remember that as you're watching. This is called the budget repair. You're on a budget, you don't want to fucking pay top dollar. This is what you're gonna get, guys. Okay? This is the fucking deal. Do you see that? See if we can grab that bitch right there. Right there. I can get my, there it is. There we go, look at there. Budget, this is called the budget repair, people. You don't have the money to fucking fork up. This is what you're getting. We're going to fix it to work. It's called a workable repair. That's what we're doing here. Remember that. Look there, do you see it? You got the budget money, get the budget repair. That's what we're paying for today, guys. Come on, bitch. Come on. If you look right here, this is still crushed in. Okay, did we get those wires? No, we didn't burn them. Okay, good deal. Wires are safe. If you look right here though, we're gonna remove this piece. All right, this piece here will be removed, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this spot welds off as well. We're gonna remove that because that goes all the way down here and down this rail is where this goes. So if I cut this off here and then go down here, that will literally remove this section, which is all this section right here. So let me drill out the spot welds on that, and then we're gonna get on it and hopefully get this thing tackled. Well, we've come to the conclusion that our budget repair is turning out to be a lot more than we expected, as you can see, and using the heat and the torch and the fire did not work. So what we're going to do now is we're going to rely on cutting this out and making it work. We have got to remove all this right here, and we're going to come across here. So we're going to take this piece off first. Now I've already cut the spot welds. Let's see if we can get this off with our air chisel. Okay, if I'm looking at this correctly, we see where we took the spot welds out here. I'm going to remove this piece, of course, but this is the two holes right here. That's the ones where we're looking at. So we got to stay on this side. Do you see what I'm saying? On this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go over here to this weld. Do you see what I'm talking about here? So there's a spot weld here, and these are the three that I cut out already. But we're going to go to number 4 where it starts to curve over. We're going to go ahead and cut this bitch out right here. How's that sound? Just like that. We're going to cut that son of a bitch out of there. We're going to take that cocksucker. We're going to dismantle the piece of shit. And we're going to fucking use this whole fucking corner on our fucking budget build, bitch. Because that's what it is. It's a fucking budget repair. We're not replacing the whole fucking thing. You can forget it. Okay? We're splicing and dicing here, guys. That's what we're doing. You want to pay budget price? You get the fucking budget shit. Plain and simple, bitch. right, so what I'm trying to say here is we're going to be using it back in here, but I wanted to make sure I had enough meat that went all the way around the corner. Here's where our 2 fuck-off holes are. Let's get this shit drilled out. Let's get the fucking job done. Budget repair, see? You know, the guy ain't got the money to pay full price. What am I supposed to do? Tell him to fuck off? Should I do that? Hello, camera person.
I don't know. Why are you mad?
I'm not mad. I'm showing everybody how to do a budget repair. Why should I be mad at doing a major collision job at a budget fucking price? Why should I do that?
Then why did you take the job?
To help the fucking guy out.
So then you want to show everybody how...
I'm just showing you how to fucking do it, okay?
How an asshole you are?
I'm an asshole.
Because you're helping the guy
I'm a
out.
fucking asshole.
Because you're helping
Hold
the
on.
guy out.
I'm
You're
an asshole
mad.
because I'm helping him.
Would you shut up a minute?
Okay.
Because you're helping the guy out.
I
You're
got
mad.
spot wells to drill.
You're mad.
I got spot wells to
You're
drill.
helping the guy out. Why would you...
Okay, I got spot wells to
Why
drill,
would you
please.
do that? You're stupid.
Why am I stupid?
Because you're helping the guy out.
Exactly.
But you're mad.
I'm fucking
Because
helping
you're
him,
doing-
right?
That's what I
Ain't that what it's all about? Helping other people? You know, it started out as a nice, easy, let's pull the bitch out with the cutting torch. It ends up to being this shit. Hi, you motherfucker. You see? Did you watch that? Did you see that? Hi, you motherfucker. Hi, you motherfucker. I got a bad sciatic nerve. Hard to fucking bend over. Should I get paid for that?
Work. Quit. Retire. Takes the job.
So I got this little piece right here, and we're gonna have to get these 2 spot welds here. Let me go ahead and drill those out. You got to follow your road map. I'm up here now. You got to follow your road map.
If I was trying to find somebody to show me how to do the job, I certainly would watch this one.
I'm showing people.
I wouldn't watch.
All right,
somebody with
I'm
that.
fucking showing
I
them.
wouldn't watch somebody with that kind of attitude.
Well, good.
Anyway.
Then you don't need to watch.
I sure would.
Just hold the camera. What's this? It's a double whammy. Do you see this? Watch this. See here. Now you can go like that. Hold that right there. There. How you like that action, huh?
It was already done.
It's the budget repair. It's called the budget repair. Bam, bam. I'm up here, okay? I'm right here, look. Watch my hands. Okay, we got that one there that's kind of fucking with it. Always the last fucking one. Can you grab that, please? It wasn't my fault. All right, that was not my fault.
It's always
Okay. That's what we want. That's it, right there. So this piece right here is this section that goes just like that, see? That's where this goes. Just like that, that's where it goes. So we don't need this. I'm gonna cut this off, and then that way we can start fitting this in where it goes. And then once we get this fit on there, then we can go ahead and put this piece on, and then we can put the rest of the fender well inside here. What was supposed to be a couple-hour repair has now turned into possibly 2 fucking days.
so much for the budget.
Huh?
So much for the budget.
Yeah,
You
so
should've
much for the fucking budget, bitch!
Just do it the normal way.
Okay, the normal way would have been to fix it like I'm doing, but actually charging normal labor rates,
Oh, well, that's on you.
okay?
That's on you.
That's the normal, that's what I'm talking
That's
about.
on you. That's on you.
Okay. I got a lot of work to do here, okay? Let me get this squared up, we'll be back.
Dippity doo, dippity
Fucking
doo,
budget.
dippity doo.
Bullshit, budget.
Dippity doo, dippity doo.